Hello, today is October 19th. We are going to see how we can save these gorgeous Coleus for next year. Coleus is an annual plant, so they will not survive through the winter. So we need to bring the cuttings indoors before the first frost date. I'm going to take a few cuttings of this Coleus. We can put these cuttings in water. I'm going to bring this indoors and we'll leave it in a sunny spot in the kitchen. Just have to replenish water as the water level goes down. The bottom of the stem should touch the water. It will grow roots in a week, and we can plant them outdoors in spring when the weather warms up. For us in zone 6B around May 15th.